This is the brief on the 5% rule that solves the rent versus buy debate. A lot of people make a huge financial mistake. They just compare a monthly rent payment to a monthly mortgage payment. But to get the real picture, you have to look at what are called unrecoverable costs. Basically, the money you're paying that just disappears, gone forever. First, let's break down those costs. For renters, it's simple, right? 100% of your rent is an unrecoverable cost. But for homeowners, the magic number is about 5% of the home's value each year. That 5% comes from three places: about 1% for property taxes, 1% for maintenance, and a big 3% for your cost of capital. That's your mortgage interest and the money your down payment isn't making in the stock market. Second, let's run the numbers on, say, a $300,000 home. 5% of $300,000 is $15,000 a year. Divide that by 12 months, and you get $1,250. That is the amount of money you literally burn every month just by owning that house, and that's before you even touch your mortgage principal. So finally, you make the comparison. You take that $1,250 owner burn rate and put it up against the cost of renting a similar place. If you can rent for less than $1,250 a month, then renting is actually the smarter choice for building wealth, provided you invest the difference. So stop looking at the mortgage payment and start looking at the 5% rule. If rent is cheaper than the unrecoverable costs of owning, you're better off renting.